Boo! Don't worry, that's me. Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kishore the Rider, Hyderabad the Rider. Yes, guys, like that's me. I'm not any thief. I'm not come here to steal something from you. So actually, today's video is like first thing. Recently, I have bought a helmet, and I'm doing the unboxing of it. So, any guesses? Most of you, if you are already following me, you might have guessed it. If you're not following me, please do subscribe, and you can follow me for more updates. I actually bought a helmet recently, and here it is. Got a clarity? Ta-ta-da! Yeah. So this is an LS2 helmet. So I'm going to do the unboxing now. Thing is, even though I bought it, as you know, I was having an intercom, so I thought of getting the intercom fixed on this. So there it is. So this is FF320 LS2 helmet. The size is L, and actually I got it installed with the intercom, like whatever I have earlier. So I asked them to install it. The neon one, it is it is reflecting like anything. So here it is. So let me wear it. Now you might have understand why I was wearing this balaclava. So as you see, helmet is very tight. So yeah, not tight, actually that's the exact size I'm wearing now. So it has a dual visor with it. Nice, right? So let me take it out. Yeah, so I haven't used it actually, so that's the reason it's little bit tighter, even though I have bought it very recently and haven't used it so far. As you can see, the film is still there. I need to take it out. Let me take it in front of you guys. Taking it out. So here it is.